Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to activate hard disk or SSD. So many new PC user has faced this problem. They are installing new SSD or hard drive, but they are checking device storage. There is no new device. So you have to activate your hard disk first. So I will show you how to activate your hard disk or SSD. Go to this PC and click right. Go to manage and go disk management. There is you see here, click right, new simple volume, next, and next, also next. It's finished. See, there is new volume D, and also you will see here your new storage 1 tera. That's it.